from you, I miss your touch. You're the reason I believe in love. It's been difficult for me to trust, and I'm afraid that I'm afraid of. Cause you ain't never let me empty. I know that I can't live without you, so baby stay. You can't be right here. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay, yeah. I do the same thing I told you that I never would. Told you I changed, even when I knew I never could. Know that I can't find nobody else as good as you. I need you to stay, need you to stay.
Ternyata aku kira jalannya sepi, ternyata selama ini.
Halo guys, welcome back to Aliza Family. Setelah udah sekian lama Aliza Family nggak ada uploadan di YouTube sama sekali, kali ini Aliza Family bakal camping di rumah aja. Nah, ini juga berhubungan dengan ada kegiatan perjusa di sekolahnya Andi. Jadi kita memutuskan gimana kalau kita sekalian aja bikin konten camping gitu. Karena kita nggak punya tenda dan sebelumnya kita juga jarang bikin konten-konten camping gini, akhirnya kita nyewa tenda dan itu cukup murah kok, cuman 30.000 per harinya kalau nggak salah. Menurut aku ini udah worth it banget karena tendanya ini tenda dom double layer, kapasitas 4 orang, udah include matras juga. Selain itu tendanya juga bersih, jadi udah worth it banget lah. Dan finally ini hasil jadinya setelah kita tambahin sama dekorasi juga. Dan agak lucu juga sih karena ini perjusanya online, jadi mau nggak mau ya harus sambil zoom gitu. Baru nanti malamnya kita adain acara sama keluarga besar. Nah, pada kepo kan gimana keseruan Aliza Family nanti malam? Tonton sampai habis, jangan lupa like, comment, share, dan subscribe sekarang juga. Nah, lanjut habis setelah sholat maghrib kita di sini masih stay. Kita nonton film bareng-bareng, tapi sayangnya nggak ke video, jadi ya udahlah. Nah, ini nih yang ditunggu-tunggu udah dateng. Yap, nanti malam Aliza Family bakal barbekyuan bareng sama keluarga besar. Oke, saatnya unboxing. Ups, tapi ini nggak disponsori loh ya. Sebelumnya di sini aku juga baru tahu kalau Majo di Tulungagung ini bisa home service gitu. Jadi lebih nggak perlu khawatir kalau mau barbekyuan bareng keluarga besar tanpa harus makan ke restorannya. Apalagi kan masih masa pandemi seperti ini ya. Kalau buat Majo di Malang sih ada ya, tapi aku nggak tahu pasti apakah itu bisa home service apa enggak. Seharusnya sih bisa. Oke, dari home service-nya Majo di Tulungagung ini kita udah dapat lengkap banget paketnya. Jadi udah disediakan grill sama kompor portable, bahkan ada gas cadangan kalau misalnya di kompornya tuh kehabisan gas gitu. Nah, ini kita pesen yang paket Wagyu 4-6 orang, Rp335.000. Buat price listnya dan itu udah include apa aja, aku taruh di akhir video ya guys.
You don't know, babe, when you hold me and kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would know that you are. You're the coffee that I need in the morning. You're my sunshine in the rain when it's pouring. Won't you give yourself to me? Give it all. I just wanna see. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, oh, you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. Is this sunrise and those brown eyes? Yes, you're the one that I desire. When we wake up and then we make love, it makes me feel so nice. You're my water when I'm stuck in the desert. You're the Tylenol I take when my head hurts. You're the sunshine of my life. I just wanna see how beautiful you are. You know that I see it. I know you're a star. Where you go, I'll follow, no matter how far. If life is a movie, then you're the best part. Oh, you're the best part. Oh, best part. If you love me, won't you say something?